Pranam to all, how are you? I hope you are all fine. Like this, the hot climate turned into cold climate. In this time, it is the best for all kinds of insects and pests to attack your plant. In this time, we get to see that aphids, mealybugs or any kind of other insect attacks are attacking most in this period. For this, most of you will use chemical pesticides or insecticides as a solution. But my mom is an organic gardener. That's why she doesn't like to use any chemical pesticides or insecticides. Ant attack is one of the very big problem of many gardeners. These tiny animals don't harm the plant directly. But as they are always in look for food and collecting the food, they might harm the root. So my mom is going to use a simple tip for this solution. But this powder is best for the flowering plants. But if you use this on any kind of vegetable plant, make sure to wait 3 days and then harvest all the vegetables you have in your plant. This is nothing special. Everybody knows this. This is neem leaves. There are different uses of neem leaves. My mom is here using dried neem leaves. But if you wish to, you can also use fresh neem leaves. All you need to do is collect a handful of neem leaves in a bowl or bucket and add 1 liter of water. Soak it overnight. Next day you can stain it and apply it on your foliage and soil also. You can give it like that only or add 1 teaspoon of liquid soap. Shake it and apply it on the foliages of your plant. Note that you can use the liquid from the leaves for up to 1 week after preparation, but it is best to store it in a cool, dark place. After 5 to 10 minutes of using this powder, you will be able to notice that almost all ants are gone. Look at this, there are still a few ants on the soil. Now I will tell you how to prepare this magical dry powder. Collect green neem leaves and dry them away from direct sunlight. Store the leaves in a container which allows plenty of air around the leaves. When needed, you can just simply grind it in your blender and give it to your plants. If you wish to, you can use this as a liquid pesticide as well. Okay, now watch how my mom creates this liquid pesticide. In 1 liter of water, put 50 grams of dried neem leaves and mix it. After mixing all this, make sure to soak it overnight. The next day you can just stain it and directly give it to your plant, or you can dilute it and give it to your plant. Sometimes my mom also adds 1 teaspoon of dishwasher. A huge amount of ants attacked our chrysanthemum plant. After 3 days of applying the neem powder, my mom also gave this liquid pesticide to our guldaudi plant. Believe me or not, my mom only applied this pesticide 2 times and all the ants were gone. Instead of this, you can also give turmeric powder, red chili powder or black pepper, but it's too costly. So, neem leaf is the best for any kind of insect attacked pest attacked or even ant attacked. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you like our videos, then subscribe to our channel and watch all the other videos. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.